Hello everyone, welcome to Sentinel Smart QA Hub. In today's section, we are going to discuss the execution policy restricted error. This error you might see while installing the Playwright. So when you install the Playwright at the first time, you might see this error. Now we'll check this problem. For example, here I am going to install the Playwright at the first time. View, command palette, install Playwright, click on OK. See, you will get this error for npm.psi cannot be loaded because running script is disabled on this system. So why this error we are getting is because this happens. So Playwright tried to install some scripting at the background, but our Windows PowerShell blocked all the script running from the to product our system. That's why we get this error. How to check whether the current policy is restricted? So open the PowerShell. Here search the Windows PowerShell. In the Windows, search the Windows PowerShell. Click on this. It will open the PowerShell. So here get hyphen, don't give space, execution policy and press enter. You will notice that it's saying restricted. That means no scripting is allowed to run. So now, to fix this one, we have to change the execution policy. We need to sign the remotely to allow the script to run. So what is the command is set-execution policy scope current user execution policy remote signed. Press enter. Sometime for confirmation it will ask to press yes, so you need to press yes. Remotely we signed to allow the script to run it. Now we'll check the execution policy. The execution policy is remotely signed. Now I'll explain this command. Set execution policy command used to change the execution policy. Actually it is restricted for current user, so I mentioned the scope current user and execution policy is remote signed. So previously it is restricted, now it is remote signed. Again, if you want to restrict, then suppose you want to restrict again, you can change remote signed into restricted. Now to know whether it is restricted or remotely signed, we can use get execution policy command. Now currently, now we changed restricted to remote signed. Now I can install the Playwright, view, command palette, install Playwright and click on OK. Now I'm not getting the error, it is getting installing.